Writing JAMB this year, I want you to pay attention to this video. The things I will share with you in this video could help you, could be the distinction between whether you get admission or whether you will come again and become a customer of JAMB. So I want you to pay great attention to this video. By now, I hope you have already gotten your EP. By now, I am hoping that you have gotten your profile code without any issues. I'm hoping you must have gotten your EP without any issues, right? So I'm hoping that right now you have your your own email address. I'm hoping that you have your own SIM card. I'm hoping that you have already passed the stage of your JAMB EP registration. If you have not passed that stage, or if you are having any difficulty in that area, please feel free to talk to me immediately. Let us resolve it. If you are having any issue, feel free to talk to me immediately. Let us resolve the matter. The next, by now, I want to believe that you are reading with past questions. I want to believe that you have gotten past questions on the 4 subjects you will be writing in JAMB. I want to believe you are reading it. Now, if you have not gotten the syllables, if you have not gotten the past question, feel free to talk to me now. Don't postpone it, so that I can send them to you free. I'll send them to you free of charge so that you begin to read. We don't have time. Remember, in this channel, the target is for everybody watching this video, everybody following us on Noble Tutorials, to score at least 300. To score at least 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, let me know. If you claim 300 and above in your JAMB, let me know. But then there are some things you must do. If you're having these issues, talk to me immediately. Okay? If you have any questions concerning your JAMB registration, anything, let me know immediately. Now, I've always warned you about scam websites. There are people that even till today are telling you people that they will help you in the JAMB, that they will help to upgrade your JAMB result, that they will help you to get admission, that they have contacts with JAMB office in Lagos, in Abuja. Those things are fake. That's why I keep emphasizing that you become more serious with studying, with reading, with preparations, right? All the help I can give you, I will give you before the exam to get you set, not coming to scam you after the exam, promising to upgrade your score maybe from 180 to 300. It doesn't happen that way. By now, I trust that you already have a JAMB study timetable. If you are serious with this JAMB, remember I keep emphasizing making at least 300 in this JAMB. It's not going to fall from the moon. If you have not started reading, talk to me. If you are reading, you don't understand, if you're having challenges, open up and talk now, so that we can craft a winning JAMB study timetable. How I wish I can read for you, but I cannot. The reading has to be done by you. What I can work with you doing is to craft a timetable that you can use and write and study and pass. Getting me to craft the timetable for you is not free, but we can work together and craft a working timetable that you can use to study. We just have few months. So we'll look at basically your subjects, your areas of competence, the subject you know, your subject of weakness, the time available to you, other activities you are doing, whether you are staying in SS3 or whether you have passed SS3. We'll work on all those things and craft a working timetable for you. Then, have you gotten Lucky Headmaster? If you have not gotten Lucky Headmaster, or you are trying to read it, or you are confused about whether to read it or not, please let me know. We don't have time. The bottom line of this video is, anywhere you're having challenges concerning JAMB, anything that is stopping you from preparing, any issue at all, feel free to talk to me immediately, right now. Send me a message, talk to me immediately.